Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. A simple guide to replacing your car's drive belt tensioner. Introduction. If you've noticed a squeaking or grinding sound coming from under the hood of your vehicle, it could be a sign that your drive belt tensioner needs replacement. Ignoring this crucial component can lead to serious issues with your car's performance and safety. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of timely drive belt tensioner replacement and how to tackle this common automotive maintenance task. Replacing the drive belt tensioner may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and know-how, you can save yourself time and money by doing it yourself. We'll walk you through the steps involved in this process, making it a seamless and cost-effective endeavor. Understanding the role of the drive belt tensioner in your vehicle's engine system is pivotal to its overall function. By staying proactive and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure a smooth driving experience and prevent more costly repairs down the road. Join us as we unravel the world of drive belt tensioner replacement, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to embark on this DIY maintenance quest. Let's dive in and empower you to take control of your car's upkeep efficiently and effectively. Understanding drive belt tensioners. Drive belt tensioners play a crucial role in the proper functioning of a vehicle's engine. Understanding how drive belt tensioners work and recognizing signs of failure is essential for maintaining your car's performance. Function of drive belt tensioners. Drive belt tensioners are responsible for keeping the engine's belts at the right level of tension. This is vital because belts that are too loose can slip, while belts that are too tight can cause stress on other engine components. The tensioner ensures that the belts remain properly aligned and tensioned, contributing to the smooth operation of various engine accessories such as the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Symptoms of a failing drive belt tensioner. Squealing noises. One of the most common signs of a failing drive belt tensioner is a squealing noise coming from the engine. This noise may be more noticeable upon starting the vehicle or while turning. Visible wear on belts. Inspect the drive belts for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice cracks, fraying, or glazing on the belts, it could indicate a problem with the tensioner. Belt slippage. If the belts are slipping off the pulleys or not moving smoothly along their path, it could be due to a faulty tensioner unable to maintain the correct tension. Engine overheating. A failing tensioner can lead to the malfunction of the cooling system, resulting in engine overheating. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge for any unusual fluctuations. Battery light indicator. A faulty tensioner can cause the alternator belt to slip, leading to a drop in electrical power and triggering the battery light on the dashboard. By understanding the function of drive belt tensioners and being able to recognize the symptoms of a failing tensioner, you can address issues promptly and prevent further damage to your vehicle's engine components. Regular maintenance and inspection of the drive belt system are key to ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Diagnosing drive belt tensioner issues. Identifying potential problems with your drive belt tensioner is essential for maintaining the health of your vehicle. Here's how you can diagnose issues with your drive belt tensioner. Visual inspection of drive belt tensioner. Start by visually inspecting your drive belt tensioner. Look for any signs of wear, such as cracks, fraying, or glazing on the belt. Check for looseness or misalignment of the tensioner pulley. Ensure that the tensioner is properly mounted and that there are no visible leaks or damage to the components. Listening to unusual noises. Pay attention to any unusual noises coming from the engine area while the vehicle is running. Squealing, rattling, or grinding sounds could indicate a problem with the drive belt tensioner. These noises may occur when the tensioner is struggling to maintain the correct tension on the belt or when the pulley bearings are worn out. Checking drive belt tension. To determine if the drive belt tensioner is functioning correctly, you can perform a simple tension check. Press down on the belt midway between two pulleys. There should be a specific amount of give. If the belt feels too loose or too tight, it could be a sign of tensioner issues. Additionally, check for any visible cracks or wear on the belt itself, as this could indicate a need for tensioner replacement. By visually inspecting the drive belt tensioner, listening for unusual noises, and checking the belt tension, you can effectively diagnose potential issues with this crucial component of your vehicle's engine system. Regular maintenance and early detection of problems can help prevent more significant issues down the line. We hope you found the information helpful in understanding the importance of this maintenance task and preparing for the replacement process. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll guide you through the step-by-step procedure of replacing the tensioner. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.